First method. Start by going to the adjustment panel and selecting hue saturation. In the drop-down menu choose yellows, then set the saturation to -95 and the lightness to 95. Next, switch from yellows to greens and do the same. After that, add the black and white adjustment layer. Set its blend mode to luminosity and drag this layer below hue saturation. Adjust the black and white settings like this. Set reds to -10, yellows to 200 and greens to 150. If there are areas like a person in your photo that you don't want to affect, just mask them out. Now let's add some snow. Bring in a snow overlay and set its blend mode to screen to get rid of the black background. I also want to decrease the fill and add a bit of blur to soften the effect. And there you go, you see the photo is very desaturated. The next method will keep more color in your photo. Second method. For this method, start by going to select color range. Lower the fuzziness to about 10. In the selection preview, set it to none so you can clearly see your photo. Then grab the eyedropper tool and select grass on your photo. Then take this tool and start selecting green areas, like grass, trees or mountains. Once that's done, switch the preview to grayscale and adjust the fuzziness so your object isn't overly selected, but all the greens are. The white areas are what will be selected and the black areas won't. Once you are happy with it, click OK. Next, create a solid color adjustment layer. Set it to white and press OK. You will probably notice that the person or other areas that shouldn't be white are affected. No worries, just fix the mask with a black brush. We don't want the entire photo to be white, so double click on the solid color layer and adjust the underlying layer slider to bring back some green. Hold Alt or Option on Mac to split the slider for a smoother transition. Now hide the solid color layer and add the hue saturation adjustment. Select yellows and max out the hue and saturation. Now blue is an area where the next effect will be applied. Adjust here area so the person won't be selected and all greens will be. Once done, reset hue to 0, set saturation to -80 and lightness to 80. Double click on this layer and you know. Finally, just like in the first method, add snow using a screen blend mode. The result, a snowy transformation with more natural tones. Third method. This one's a breeze. Go to Filter, Neural Filters and select Landscape Mixer. Choose one of the winter presets. I think this one looks good and click OK. Depending on the photo, you might notice some defects. Tidy those up and that's it. You got a quick and easy winter transformation.